Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mini-split AC units that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for reliable cooling solutions, these products cover a range of budgets and use cases. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the MySeat windowless air conditioner, a budget-friendly option that combines fan circulation, humidifying, and evaporative cooling into one compact unit. This air cooler is perfect for small spaces or renters who don't want the hassle of permanent installation. With its bladeless design, it's a safe choice for households with kids or pets, and its modern look fits seamlessly into most interiors. The MySeat cooler has a 3L water tank that can last up to 12 hours, and it includes 3 ice packs for extra cooling efficiency. It's lightweight and portable, weighing only 7 pounds, and features a convenient remote control with a 25-foot range. While it's not as powerful as a true mini-split AC, it's ideal for dry climates where evaporative cooling shines. However, its 2.8-star user rating highlights some concerns about durability and cooling power in very hot conditions. Overall, this is a solid pick for anyone seeking an affordable, plug-and-play solution for staying cool. It's easy to clean and maintain, but keep in mind that it's best suited for small rooms or personal use. If you're on a tight budget, this unit offers decent functionality at a low price. Coming in at number 4 is the Behringer 12-volt split air conditioner, which is specifically designed for vehicles like RVs, semi-trucks, and construction equipment. This unit boasts a cooling power of 1800 W and features a high-efficiency inverter compressor and aluminum condenser, making it a great choice for mobile applications. Its split system design allows for flexible installation, and it includes accessories for easy setup. The Behringer unit excels in energy efficiency thanks to its low-voltage protection feature that ensures the battery doesn't drain excessively. With a noise level of just 45 dB, it provides a quiet and comfortable environment even when parked in hot summer conditions. However, users need to manually add refrigerant before first use, which could be a drawback for some buyers. Customer reviews are generally positive, noting its reliability in extreme temperatures, but mentioning that professional installation may be required for optimal performance. If you're someone who needs cooling on the go, whether it's for road trips, long-haul trucking, or farming applications, this premium-priced option delivers powerful cooling and a durable build. However, its focus on vehicle-specific use might limit its appeal for general home applications. At number 3, we have the Yongxin Tianji DC 24-volt RV air conditioner, another vehicle-focused mini-split AC that's ideal for camping vehicles, trucks, and trailers. This unit boasts a cooling power of 12,600 BTU, making it one of the most powerful options on this list. Its energy-saving design allows for extended use on a car battery, and its low-voltage protection ensures safe operation without draining the battery excessively. One standout feature of the Yongxin Tianji unit is its durable metal casing with heat dissipation vents, which enhances the longevity of the compressor. Additionally, it offers flexible installation options, so you can adapt it to the unique space constraints of your vehicle. Users love its quiet operation at just 30 dB and its intuitive remote control for adjusting settings. However, the higher BTU rating and robust build come at a premium price, and it may be overkill for smaller vehicles or spaces. This is an excellent choice for anyone who prioritizes cooling power and durability, perfect for long road trips or outdoor adventures. While its design and features lean heavily toward vehicle use, it's a reliable and powerful solution for mobile cooling needs. Taking the number 2 spot is the Cassette 9000 BTU mini-split air conditioner. This unit is packed with smart features, including Wi-Fi connectivity and compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant, making it perfect for tech-savvy homeowners. With a SEER 2 rating of 20, it's extremely energy efficient, saving up to 62% on energy costs compared to lower SEER units. The Muse series also features whisper quiet operation, with noise levels as low as 24 dB, ideal for bedrooms or living rooms. The cassette unit is built to handle extreme temperatures, offering stable cooling even at 122 degrees Fahrenheit and heating at -13 degrees Fahrenheit. Its upgraded compressor ensures reliable performance, and the enhanced packaging protects the unit during shipping. Users appreciate its intuitive GRI+ app, which allows for remote control and scheduling, and its sleek design complements modern interiors. However, professional installation is required, which adds to the overall cost. For its combination of smart features, high efficiency, and near-silent operation, the cassette mini-split AC is a fantastic choice for homes. It's slightly more expensive upfront, but the energy savings and advanced functionality make it well worth the investment. And finally, at number 1, we have the Olmo 9000 BTU single-zone wall-mount mini-split AC and heat pump. This unit strikes a perfect balance between performance, build quality, and affordability, making it our top choice. Featuring inverter technology and a 16.5 SEER rating, it's energy efficient and supports both cooling and heating, making it suitable for year-round use. With its whisper-quiet operation, it's ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or even commercial spaces. The Olmo system comes pre-charged with R410A refrigerant and includes a comprehensive 16-foot installation kit, ensuring you have everything you need for setup. However, professional installation is required, which is worth considering when budgeting for this unit. Users praise its consistent cooling and heating performance, even at temperatures as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit. And its straightforward design with an LED display adds to its user-friendly appeal. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile mini-split AC that delivers excellent value for money, the Olmo unit is hard to beat. Its robust features, quiet operation, and strong customer reviews make it the best overall choice for most homeowners. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.